Did you know AI video creation is about to change forever? Not only can anyone now make unlimited, uncensored cinematic stories, but Hollywood itself is shaking. Higgsfield just dropped Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro for everyone, everywhere, with zero gatekeeping. Stay with me till the end. If you want the best AI tools to boost your workflow and earnings, hit subscribe so you get every future guide. Watch through. One skip tip could mean missing the ultimate trick. What's new with Higgsfield Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro? Let's set the stage. Higgsfield just unleashed Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro. Unlimited, uncensored, accessible to absolutely anyone worldwide. Yup, OpenAI built the engine. Higgsfield made it open for all. Unlimited video runs. No daily limits, no waitlist, no regional lock. You can create, experiment, and iterate as much as you want, anytime. Sora 2 delivers smooth, full-motion, 1080p storytelling. Sora 2 Pro? Even better. Advanced motion logic, multi-scene story continuity, Hollywood-grade scene sync. No censorship. No gatekeeping. The world asked for Sora? Higgsfield gave it to everyone. Imagine a true AI cinema engine that not only animates but directs like a filmmaker. Camera cuts, scene logic, synced voice, emotional reactions, all built in.
Hey, it's Vincent. Let's jump into my screen and go step by step so you can follow along. Go to the official Higgsfield AI Sora 2 page. Link I put in the description. Quick sign up with your email. No waiting, no special invite. Find both Sora 2 and Sora 2 Pro available. Choose your model. Pick your mode, Sora 2 or Sora 2 Pro. Both run non-stop with global access. Sora 2, best for clean, high-res motion storytelling. Sora 2 Pro, push boundaries, advanced scene reasoning, perfect for complex stories or product demos. Let's creating text-to-video that looks like Hollywood. Select text-to-video generator and choose Sora 2 or Sora 2 Pro. I will try Sora 2. Type your story prompt. For example, a young chef races against time in a neon-lit kitchen. Camera swoops overhead as flames burst up. Sweat glistens in dramatic slow motion. 1080p, energetic soundtrack. Set video duration, up to 12 seconds. Adjust aspect ratio for YouTube or TikTok. Turn on unlimited mode, and hit generate. Okay, this is the output. Wow, this video is incredible. The neon-lit kitchen looks amazing, and the way the camera swoops overhead as the chef races against time really pulls you in. The slow-motion shots of sweat and those bursts of flames make it feel so intense, like a real action movie. Okay, if you want to upscale your video quality, click here for unlimited use. Turn this on and hit upscale. Just wait a couple minutes and boom, your higher quality video is ready. Let's check this out. Come on. Make fast-cut meme stories. Example, a cat hacking into a mainframe. Rapid zooms. 3-second punchline. Chaotic editing. Meme soundtrack. Laughs guaranteed. In just minutes, you can hit record, punch in jokes, and ship viral shorts. Okay, let's try another one. A red vintage car speeds down a misty mountain road. Camera swooping overhead, autumn trees rushing by, dramatic orchestra music swells. Bringing your images to life. Image to video. Switch to image to video. Upload your own image, portrait, landscape, or product photo. Add a detailed movement prompt. I will use this prompt. You'll see Sora direct the motion, add synced audio, and even animate story beats with emotion. Sora 2 Trends. Make trending video shorts for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, let's try this feature. Click Sora 2 Trends in the menu. Choose the format, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Let's try YouTube Shorts. Down below, you'll see presets. This is key. Open it up and scroll through options. My favorite? Epic movie scenes. But today, let's do something new. I choose preset Dance Party. Prompt: 2 robots breakdance in Times Square during New Year's Eve. Fireworks in the background. Vibrant neon colors. Crowd filming. Select style, auto. Craziness, high. Montage, fast-paced. Click Generate to start the AI magic.
Like, subscribe, and ask your best questions below. Let's unlock the future of AI video together. See you soon on the Vincent AI.